Hello, good morning. Hi, everyone at the Discord booth. My name is Jamika. We're going to get started with our next talk here. There we go. Let's make it official. Claiming your game on Discord. Hi, everyone. My name is Jamika March. You can call me Mika. I'm a senior developer advocate over at Discord. A developer advocate does what needs to happen. We do documentation, we do guides, we do talks. Whatever gets you as a developer to help use Discord products, we are there to help you. So today we're going to talk to you about unlocking some of your game developer perks, one of which is your game identity, so how to control your game profile on Discord, and another is about your server verification, so how do you get that really cool green check mark on your official server. So who is this talk focused on? If you are a game developer that wants to control your profile on Discord, or you would like to have your server be the official community for your game, this talk is relevant to you. So we're going to follow the journey of game developer Wumpus, who wants to become Discord official to get all of those perks I talked about. He's just starting out, he doesn't have a Discord server, and his game is not currently released. And so the first thing he does, there we go, is create a developer account over at discord.dev, looks at our Discord documentation, checks out our YouTube series, follows a few guides, and learns more about all the different things that Discord API and SDK can do for you. The game developer Wumpus goes to discord.com/community, looks at the different guides there, learns that he should really have a Discord server related to his game where he can interact with the community, run play tests, get feedback, all sorts of different things that he learned about over at discord.com/community. And the final step, game developer Wumpus released his game and is able to now become Discord official. So what does Discord official mean? What do you get by being Discord official? I'm going to talk about a few of the perks that you get for becoming Discord official. So step one in this process is to actually claim your game. That's what we're going to focus on this talk. So after game developer Wumpus has created a Discord account, has all these things done, he goes to the Discord developer portal. And then on the left-hand side, there's lots of different sections there, but game identity is what he seeks for, and then looks for his game under the claim your game section. And then in order to make sure he can claim his game, he needs to make sure of a few things. So the first one being Wumpus is a part of a Discord team. So on our developer site, you can learn how to make your development team. He's part of a team, and the application ID associated with this game is also a part of that team. So the game is listed on Steam. Right now, to become Discord official, to get that verification badge, you do need to have your game listed on Steam right now. We are working on other platforms in the future. But we have that checked. As you can see here, we have our Steam link on the detailed or detected information section. And in that Steam page, a link to your Discord community profile is also there so that the public is able to access the community. This can't be a private server. This can't be like a group DM. This has to be a community server. And that the server owner of that community is also part of this Discord team. And so now that we have all of these things checked, we are able to apply to be Discord official. So we wait a little bit, we make sure that the data is all right. Game developer Wumpus is able to claim their game and get all of these cool Discord the official perks. So now let's take a look at the different skills that you get for being Discord official. So we're going to spec into a few things here for this Discord official talk. The first one being the server verification. So you might have seen this on some servers. That green check mark that you get, you can see by the title of the game there, the green check mark shows that this server is the official game community server. This is the one that went through the game claiming process. We have verified this is the developer of this account. So if you look in the server discovery and you search for different games, this is the official one owned by the developer. It's not one of the fan accounts. It's not an imposter. This is the one that you're looking to join. Getting your server verified, you also get some other nice little perks, such as a vanity URL and a customized splash screen. So you might be familiar with the vanity URL already. If you've made a Discord server, you've probably seen the invite link is just kind of a random string. But if you have a verified server, you're actually able to change that to something more custom, like your game name or whatever it might be. And also, in your onboarding experience, you're able to create a customized splash screen that'll also show, just kind of brand the experience a bit more. You'll have your splash screens custom, the onboarding is very custom. This just kind of fits your brand a bit more. And then so back to the skill tree, we're going to spec into one more thing for this talk, is your game identity. You might have seen, if you've clicked on the game playing in Rich Presence, It is the game profile. Now that the Discord developer One Piece has claimed their game, they're actually able to customize the information on this screen. So things like the description, things like the photos, screenshots, the company information, all these things can be edited now that the developers claim this game. For example, some of the cover art changes. If you have seasonal content, you can change the content at will. If you have new characters that get unlocked, you can change this information at will. After you've claimed your game, you can customize the screen to your content. Hopefully you've learned a thing or two today. If you're a game developer or game publisher, please go to discord.com/developers to learn more about how to claim your game. If you want to learn about growing your community, go to discord.com/community to learn how to become Discord official today. Thank you very much.